configure Lucky Patcher for modifying games and apps in mobile. If you don't know about Lucky Patcher, go through below description. First you have to install it, so go to Lucky Patcher official website. There download LP installer. After the installation, click on Open. Now click on the button Download Lucky Patcher. I have skipped the downloading part. Before installing LP, you have to allow install unknown sources in Settings. Now click Install. Click the down arrow and click on Install Anyway Unsafe. It may take some time to install. Now remove LP downloader, we don't need it. Now open Lucky Patcher. Now click the three bars on left top corner. There click on Settings. In Settings tag check for force set root check, and click on it. And click and select force set non-root mode. Again, go to side panel and click on Update Lucky Patcher. Click Update. It will take few minutes to update, so just skip the process. Another time also you need to allow install unknown sources, and click on Install. Click the down arrow and click on Install Anyway Unsafe. Now finally open Lucky Patcher. When LP asks for location access, select Allow Only while using the app. Before using Lucky Patcher, always check whether force set non-root mode is checked. and in upcoming videos we will be modifying apps. See you in next video.